Hey there, crypto fam. Ever felt like transferring USDT from your Safepal wallet to Binance is as confusing as trying to explain blockchain to your grandma? Well, worry no more. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be transferring USDT like a pro. So grab your popcorn, your Safepal wallet, and let's dive in. All right, let's get down to business. First things first, make sure you have your Safepal wallet and Binance account ready to go. If you don't have these set up yet, pause this video, get that sorted, and come right back. I'll wait. Back? Great, let's roll. Step 1, open your Safepal wallet. First, unlock your Safepal wallet. If you're using the hardware wallet, connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. If you're using the app, just open it up. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Close-up shot of the host opening the Safepal app. Now, navigate to your USDT balance. It should be right there, staring at you, waiting to be transferred. Step 2, initiate the transfer. Tap on Send or Transfer. It's usually a big friendly button that's hard to miss. If you can't find it, it's probably playing hide and seek. Host taps the Send button on the app. Now you'll need the receiving address from your Binance account. This is where the magic happens. Step 3, get your Binance USDT receiving address. Hop over to your Binance app or website. Go to your wallet, find USDT, and click on Deposit. Binance will generate a unique address for you. This is like your crypto mailbox, only you can receive mail here. The host navigating to the Binance app and copying the USDT deposit address. Copy that address, double check it, triple check it. We don't want your USDT going on a vacation to the wrong wallet. Step 4, paste the address in Safepal. Head back to your Safepal wallet and paste the Binance address in the recipient address field. Make sure the network selected is the same on both Safepal and Binance. Usually, it's either ERC20, TRC20, or EP20. If you're unsure, check Binance. It usually tells you which network to use. Host pastes the address and selects the correct network. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first. It's like dipping your toe in the water before diving in. Better safe than sorry, right? Step 5, confirm and send. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double check everything, address, amount, network. When you're 100% sure, hit send. Host confirms the transaction and sends the USDT FIMs. And just like that, your USDT is on its way to Binance. Depending on the network, it might take a few minutes. So grab a snack, do a little dance, and wait for the confirmation. And there you have it. Transferring USDT from Safepal to Binance is as easy as pie. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your crypto buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Until next time, keep your wallet safe and your crypto game strong. Peace out.